In this video, I will explain how to find the check digit for a UPC number. So let's start with a quick definition. A UPC, or a Universal Product Code barcode, contains 12 digits, which are used to identify a product and its manufacturer. Now, we say that a UPC number is valid if the sum of all digits multiplied by alternating values of 3 and 1 is a multiple of 10. And the very last digit of a UPC is known as the check digit. So let's check out an example. This says, determine the check digit for the following UPC that would make it valid. So we're given the first 11 digits of this UPC. We're trying to figure out what is this last digit, this check digit. What does it have to be in order for this whole UPC to be valid? So first, let's go ahead and rewrite the UPC right here. All right, so the very first step is we need to multiply alternating values by 3s and 1s. So this first digit right here on the far left, we're going to multiply it by 3. This next digit we're going to multiply by 1. The next digit we multiply by 3. The next digit we multiply by 1, and so on. And we'll notice that the very last digit, the check digit, also gets multiplied by a 1. So if we go ahead and multiply these values, let's see what we get. 8 times 3, that's 24. 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 3 is 3, and we'll just continue in this manner. Now, lastly, we need to take the sum of all of these digits. So if you take the sum, that turns out to be 62. So remember, we said that a UPC number is valid if this sum right here is a multiple of 10. So what would this last digit right here, this check digit, what would it need to be in order for the total sum to be a multiple of 10? Well, if we're at 62 right now, the next multiple of 10 would be 70. So all we have to say is 62 plus what is equal to 70, because 70 is the next number that's evenly divisible by 10 that's greater than 62. Well, that would just be an 8, because 62 plus 8 is equal to 70. So this last digit, this check digit, must be an 8. So that is how you can find the check digit for a UPC number.